When you see something like this in Python, what is that? What do you want to do? OS module is when you want to interact with the underlying operating system. Assume you are using Windows, or you are using macOS, or you are using Linux. These are all operating systems. You want your Python to interact with them. It provides you with function to create or remove directories. If you want to create directory, or you want to remove directory, or you want to access directory, or you want to change directory, or you want to get the content of a directory, OS will give you the functionality to interact with the underlying operating system. So let's see. The first thing you need to do is to import OS. You say os.get current working directory. Which location am I operating from? The location is users/done. This is how to get your current working directory. If you want to do that, simply say os.list directory. Then you give the location. Look at so many of them. Assume, for instance, also I want to get just for these users. If you even want to see just for this, for home, for user, for bin, for sbin, and so on and so forth. I want to create a new directory. I want to create a directory here. Order done. Let's go and create something test. I will simply say os.make directory. Then you give where you want to put it. Users, done, test. See what will happen now. You find out what we have it now. This. Just created. Now, I want to create test 2. Test 3. If you check here, see? Test 2, test 3. When will you have this type of error? OS error. This means that you don't have access, or you don't have the right or permission to create a directory here. Let me show you. If I come to this place now, I say I want to create done 3. See? It's not allowing me because this place is reserved for the admin. Say permission denied. You can't create anything immediately after users. Okay? What if you want to change current directory? The first thing we need to do, let's first check where we are. This is where we are. Now I want to change it to users done test. os.change directory test. Now if I check again now, os.get current working directory, you see it has changed. What if I want to go to the parent, that is from the beginning? All you have to do, you say os.change directory. Now let's see. Now let me check my current directory now. You can see I'm back to this place because of this. What if you want to remove a directory? If you want to remove a directory, simply say os.remove directory. Then you give directory. Are you agree with me? This way I am now, right? I want to remove test. I will simply, let me just copy this. I want to remove test. Okay, if I run this, if I check now os.list directory, you will see it again. Let me just come to this place to show you. You can see here, there's no test. I can also remove 2. Let me just come here, test 2. Just watch here now. Watch here what will go on here. Here. If I run this, test 2 is gone. Remove test 3. Watch here, test 3 is gone. So OS help you to interact with your underlying operating system.